Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Now 8, this is the same thing as 4 times 2, right? So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 to the power of 4 times 2. And now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m times n, we could write this as a to the power of m to the power of n. Or we could also write this as a to the power of n to the power of m. It doesn't matter the order because they're both being multiplied, and multiplication order doesn't matter. So now I'm going to write this as a to the power of a is equal to 2 squared to the power of 4. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So this would equal 2 to the power of 2 times 4. However, I am not going to do that. I'm simply going to solve what's in the parentheses. So 2 squared, and that is equal to 4. So now I have 4 to the power of 4 is equal to a to the power of a. Now, if we have something in the form x to the power of x is equal to y to the power of y, and this means that x is equal to y as long as x is greater than or equal to 1. So in this case, a is equal to 4. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 1. Now, because I have so many 4 to the power of x's on my left-hand side, I'm simply going to factor out 4 to the power of x. So now I have 4 to the power of x times. Now 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x is 1, because anything divided by itself is 1. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. And this is equal to 1. Now I want to simplify what's in the parentheses. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is simply 4. So now I have 4 to the power of x times 4 is equal to 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and divide both sides by 4. So then these two would cancel out, and I would be left with 4 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 4. So now if I have something, so let's say we have a to the power of negative 1, right? This is equal to 1 over a. So in this case, we have 1 over 4, and we can think of 4 as a. So 1 over 4, this is the same thing as 4 to the power of negative 1. So now I have 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of negative 1. And if I have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then this means that m is equal to n. So in this case, m is x and n is -1. So x is equal to -1. So -1 is our answer.